In this lesson, I wanted to take a look at the features page block. I'm sure that you've been to several websites that you see a layout that looks something like this. So I'm going to start off at the top, just drag that over. And I was creating a website a few days ago, and I used one of these, one of the page blocks, just drag it over and then just edit each icon or each section here. So I'm going to come back here, scroll down, and let's say I like this one. I'll drag it over, and now this is the very top. And you can pretty much, once again, change anything that you see on the page, which is why I really love the front end capabilities of the Gridbox. So you can put features there, amazing things, and scroll down. You can change this, you can change the background color, you can change anything and everything that you see on here. But these are really great features that you want to be able to add on your website. And drag this over. Once you're done with it, delete it, and you're good to go.